Hey, what's up guys? Today I'm going to show you two different ways to restore your Nokia 3310. The first way to do it is hit star hashtag 7370 and then hashtag. Then it's going to ask you if you want to restore your phone. I'm gonna hit no because I'm gonna show you another way to do this. So the other way to do this is you go down to settings. Once you're in settings, go to system, then go to about phone. Right here, it's going to say restore factory settings. Then just hit OK. Then your phone is going to restore and it is going to work like new. Here you go, the phone has finally finished restoring. Now I just have to do the same thing I did when I first got the phone. There we go. That's how you restore your Nokia 3310. I hope that helped. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you next time.